Revive, Rejuvenate, Reform. Come Apart and Rest a While 2023 is a one-week health conference in the beautiful Welsh countryside of Cefn. Come taste and see that the Lord is good. Come and see the Word of God open up before your eyes. Come learn of Him, be equipped and spiritually revived. Come participate in our interactive workshops on how to rejuvenate your health, the true wealth. Come join our experienced exercise therapists each day, or try a taste of our treatment rooms to refresh your stay. This health conference is calling you from the 28th of August to the 3rd of September to come apart and rest a while. Revive, Rejuvenate, Reform. Bookings are now open. See you there.